86あります。もうこのショップの中にはかっこいいですね。似合ってますね。早速ガラス屋さんのアンディさんに、今来てもらってます。今日はフロントグラス以外はサイドグラスと後ろも入れてもらおうと考えてるんだけれども、一つ大事なところを忘れてしまいましてね、説明します。あちゃんに怒られるかな。フロントグラスのとまた横のモールですね、汚いんですよね。これをペンキしないと車につけれないので、ビビッドに早速また相談かな。さあ忘れてしまいました。あとこの部分です。右と左の横のところもこれこのままではつけるわけにはいけないですね。大事なところを忘れてしまいました。探せば探すほど塗らないといけないパーツがいっぱい出てきてるんだよね。あらららららら。まあビビッツさんとの縁がもうね、演じというかまだ仕事が続きますね。久しぶりにフェラーリにまたバンパーつけました。まあヨネちゃんにつけてもらいましたね。久しぶりにちょっといくつか細かいところ、綺麗な Z スペックさんの金物がここまであるんだけど、バンパーがなかったためここは交換まだされてないので目立ちます。変えないといけないです。でもやっぱりバンパーあった方がフェラーリらしくスッキリしませんか。かっこいいね。そして今日フェラーリでもう今フェラーリで帰ってきたから、とりあえずビビッドに、行きます。86パーツをフェラーリで運んで持っていこうと考えてますね。じゃあビビッドまで行きましょう。よし、出発です。What's up, man?
What's up?
What you driving today?
Oh, it's not mine. It's a customer.
Well, you look good in it. You
I-
look good in it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
I love it. Very nice. Thanks for all your help with the parts, man. My parts haul. Ferrari part haul today. If we don't paint these things, though, man, the car's never gonna look good, is it? I mean, you can't. The car looks awesome, but it can't look complete with horrible looking parts like this. So, what do you want to do with these? Senor Ricky? All right, hang on. My man Ricky, I thought I wasn't going to see you again. Look who's back. What's up? I get to see you fast because of my mess up, my man. You know what? Look at these trim pieces. We went and put the glass in the other day.
Yeah.
And I looked at those. And what do you think I said? Hell no, right? No, back to Vivid we come. All right, so here we go. All these pieces, a nice satin black. And there's a lot of them. I apologize. Sorry, man. Don't be mad at me.
No, I'm not.
I'll bring pizza again. All right, guys. Thanks, man. 今日もいい日ですね。フェデックスが届きました。エンジンパーツというか、まあ行方不明になってたパーツではないです。これまた別のものなんですが、マレーシアの R&R という会社に注文したエンジンのワイヤーハーネスです。今アイブのところに来たんで、お渡ししたいと思います。逆に開けてもらいたいと思う。アイブの顔が可愛いよね。開けてもらおうとね。アイブ探しましょう。相変わらず忙しいんだよね。アイブン Yo, yo, what are you up to?
Alright, man, trying to get this thing out.
Mitsubishi's, huh?
Yeah.
Are you? Oh, you're literally trying to get it out.
Yeah.
The engine's coming out, huh? Oh, man.
2018.
Wow, what are you doing to this thing?
A motor swap.
Motor swap, huh? Wow.
Turbo.
You guys there's more motors flying around this shop than I can't even count. I don't have enough fingers and hands or anything to count them
I
on.
have to get another place or something.
Look at this place.
Motor everywhere.
My goodness, man. There's always a lot going on in your shop, man. Well, I got some good news today.
What you got going?
I want to take a guess what's in that FedEx box?
Oh, we've been waiting.
Guess what? I love when you open stuff.
Yeah,
I love seeing your face every time you open something, man. We're gonna have you do the honors on this one too.
Once again.
Yes. This is, while you're opening that, okay, I'm going to give you a hint what this is. You'll probably figure it out now because you've figured out most everything else is there.
Okay.
This came all the way from halfway around the globe in Malaysia. And we've been working with a great company over there, RNR. And RNR, now you know, right? I gave it away?
Now I know. You
Oh, yeah. Our custom-built harness showed up, man.
Oh, man.
Yep, these
I gotta be
guys.
careful with this. I don't make sure I don't cut
Don't
it.
cut nothing. They'll kill me. They'll kill me. But we should have a lot of goodies inside this box, man. These guys are awesome, by the way, too, Ivan. They were so communicative on Facebook, on Messenger. I've been back and forth with them. They're supposed to have put us together an unbelievable wire harness. Let's see what we got. I'll take the paperwork. Oh, looks like you got some info there.
Yeah, and some stickers.
Oh, there they are. Let's see them.
We got a packing slip.
R&R Auto Sports for the harnesses, man. Great customer support, great people. I'm really glad we hooked up and got with these guys, Ivan.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Awesome. All right, stickers are cool, but let's see what's inside that.
Let's see
In
the
fact, I
goodies.
can't wait. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Oh, man.
Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh,
Look at this.
yes.
All label.
Everything.
Oh,
Should-
nicely packed up.
Look at that. We ordered this too, Ivan. You know that quick disconnect, right? For the from the firewall.
Yeah, for the firewall.
Yeah,
of
exactly.
course.
What do you think, man?
This is beautiful.
Oh yes. Everything here is supposed to be the high temperature,
it's
the
weather-
competition
this is
system,
weatherproof.
all weatherproofed and
Yeah.
everything, and it should make our system up and pretty plug and play, from what I understand.
No kidding.
Yes, sir.
This is the simplest harness I've ever seen.
Should be one more thing in that box. Don't tell me you're done yet.
We got two more things.
Oh, yeah. Oh, two more things. Wow. I don't know that I ordered two more things, but whoa. I imagine that's our.
That's the ECU.
That's the brains right there, huh?
Yeah.
That's the brains.
Oh, man.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these little things. That's the links, right?
Yeah, this is the
Yeah.
Lambda, which is the auto sensor essentially. And
All right, so now that finally.
must be the
now we
ECU.
got to go. It better be the ECU.
look at this.
There she is.
man.
Oh, cool, man. Look at what a nice
compact.
compact little unit that is, huh?
Oh my.
Is it light?
Super light. It's like rubbery thing.
Wow.
Yeah, like rubbery looking too.
Let me see that thing. Wow.
It's so
Oh yeah,
nice.
it's nicely coated. That's a nice looking unit right there.
it's very nice.
Sweet. Got the monsoon.
Little bracket.
Oh, a little mounting bracket for it.
Yeah, purple.
Yes.
JDM.
I like that.
And then this is the
Data cable?
Yeah, data cable. So we can tune it.
Sweet. Look at that. And more stickers.
Got all the stickers.
Linked. Well, I got to tell you, man. Thanks to this was all thanks to these guys right here in Malaysia. They speak perfect English, took care of everything. Guys, R&R Auto Sports, check them out. Right, Ivan? These guys, even for a lot of questions and just advice and everything else, they were
Yeah.
there from day one. Took a little time to get this done, but they worked through COVID and all the
it's-
challenges.
and it's worth it.
And it's worth the wait,
Just
man.
look at the quality of the part. It's absolutely worth it.
Absolutely correct. So happy we got this. R&R, thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thumbs
Thank
up.
you, guys.
All right, Ivan, back to work.
Yes, sir.
アイバンのところ出て、またすぐに連絡ありました。以前から、このビビドの、板金屋のすぐ近くに、この会社があります。パワーダイナミクスと言います。これはね、アイバンのエンジンビルダーなんですね。エンジンの加工屋さんはこの中に入ってるんで、すごいエンジンとか、すごいものを作っているということは、以前、他のチューニング会社の人からも、噂で聞きました。4AG のエンジンがこちらに来てます。これはアイブンとつながっているエンジンビルダーですね。で、今から、エンジンブロックの加工をするところなんで、それをね、覗いていいって言ったら、OK です。スティーブだから大丈夫だよって。まあ、とりあえず覗きましょうか。エンジンショップかっこいいですよ。かっこいいです。だから入りましょう。 先日初めてこのショップのオーナーさんに会いました、ジェフさんという方なんですが、もう丁寧にいろいろ今案内していただいてるんでめっちゃいいんです。こういうショップの中はね、見た目を見ることだけじゃなくて匂いももう本当に全てはいいんで、皆さんに紹介したいと思います。ジェフ、how are you, man? Thanks for having me in your shop today, man. Ever since I moved to Texas a few months ago and I've been meeting so many people in the car community, that Power Dynamics, just the name keeps coming up over and over and over again in all kinds of different circles.
Yeah.
You're pretty well...
We're underground, but we're not really underground, but we're kind of underground, so.
Ivan loves you. I know some other tuners who love you. I know Ivan's does a lot. I mean, pretty much all those... There's a ton of Subaru engines here all the time, isn't there?
Big rush all the time, everything, so we got a lot here.
You have a beautiful shop, man, and I really appreciate you showing everything to me. I came here today because I got rumor had it that you were going to start working on the 4AG block, doing some honing and stuff to our block today.
Yeah, we're getting ready, so it's about to run.
All right, man. Well, this is exciting stuff for me. I love how things look once they're done.
Yeah.
But I kind of really love and appreciate the behind the scenes, what it takes to, how it's made. That's what's in.
Yeah, for sure, man.
I appreciate you showing it to everybody here. Let's take a look at the block, getting honed in action. Thanks, Jeff. Nice to meet you, man. Power Dynamics here in McKinney, guys. Check them out. Awesome people doing incredible work. Thanks. わあ、いた。綺麗になったね。チビのブロックなんで、すんごいいい感じです。これから準備しているようなんで。Hey, Jeff. How many millimeters are we going over with this? How much honing is going to be done today?
I think it's 1 millimeter over.
So 1 millimeter over is where we're going with
Yeah,
this?
it's 1 millimeter, or in America, 40,000.
40,000. We'll go with millimeter spec. What the rest of the world does. Why are we so different? All right, so this is still pretty much stock. Has this block ever been cut before?
No.
From what it hasn't.
Factory.
It's a virgin.
Yes.
All right. 1 millimeter honing. Here we go. こういうの面白いんじゃないですか。本当にめったに見れないので生で今日は特別に招待というかどうぞ覗いてみてください。こういうのはやっぱりスティーブ的店の視聴者もこういうのは面白いかと思うので、できたものだけじゃなくてどういう風にそのものが作られたのかっていうことはやっぱり面白いなと思うので、特にこれから使う実際に車に入れるエンジンになるので 4AG のブロック加工というんですか、もう今からです始まります。もうドキドキワクワクしてます。かっこいいよ、匂いも全てこういう音も最高ですね。これ大根の方は2個目の方はまず最初は一回通してみました。やっぱり違いが分かりますよね。色が変わりました。これから本格的にやるらしいです。中をよく覗くと分かりますよね。どこにリングがピストンの動きでピストンリングが削ってあるのか、一回だけをこのホーニングマシンを落とすと分かりますよね。削れてるところと削れてないところよく分かります。面白いやな、こういうのはな。変わりましたね。1回やった後誰だけでもだいぶ変わりました。こっち側も覗くと変わってきてますね。すげえよこのマシンは。すげえ。
That's 3.5 on the top, middle of the cylinder. That's 3.4, bottom of the cylinder. It's 3.4. It's a
Wow.
10 up and down.
いや素晴らしかった。本当に楽しみですね。こういうのはね、好きな人たくさんいませんか？どう思います？やっぱりエンジンをできたエンジンももちろんかけるのと引くのがいいんだけど、中にどういう風にどういう風にできてるのかって見るとなんかドキドキワクワクしますよね。とりあえず安心しました。ジェフさんはすごくいい人だし、パワーダイナミクスはすごくいい会社だし、アイブンもしっかりしているし、すごいチームできましたね。あっちゃん安心してね、パパに任せて、頑張ってるから。ではまだ来週まで。忘れないうちに POV のパーカー、POV のオリジナル商品は StevePOV.com と Amazon Japan にありますので、スティーブ的視点で検索してみてね。ではまた来週お会いしましょう。よろしく。サムさん。